This lovely property spans over 3 acres, dotted with majestic oaks, and features a pretty pond. The immaculate residence offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office and comes furnished. Nestled in a secluded area, it boasts an open floor plan, impact-resistant windows, hardwood flooring, high ceilings, and a thoughtful layout. Oversized windows provide tranquil views of the picturesque pond. The home is in pristine condition and ready for immediate occupancy. There is a shed for extra storage. Indian Hammock is a gated community of over 3,600 acres, with 2,400 acres of preserve. Amenities include a private airport, skeet and trap ranges, rifle and pistol range, 5-stand shooting, clubhouse with restaurant, gym, heated pool, guest cabins, tennis and pickleball, horse stables and riding arena, and miles of trails to ride. Experience the serenity of country living just 1.5 hours from Palm Beach County. Ideal for full-time living or as a weekend retreat. Gated community, appointment needed to enter.